All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter. Yoruba Nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Right now, Baba Bola Tinubu has opened up. In fact, he had explained a lot of things. Yes, to the Yorubas, Baba Bola Tinubu ti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Wọ́n ti jẹ́ ká mọ bó ṣe ń lọ báyìí o. Fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti ń kanra, tẹ́ ti ń bínú. Baba Bola Tinubu wọ́n ti fohùn sílẹ̀ báyìí. Baba Bola Tinubu ti ní pé ká jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn wa kàn farabalẹ̀ pé nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn àwọn náà ń rí i pé kò dẹrùn rárá fún àwọn ará ìlú. Bó dẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ báyìí, àwọn aráàlú ní láti farada bó ṣe ń lọ ni o. Kó lè dá náà ni à ń bá ká. Ṣùgbọ́n bó ṣe wà yìí, nǹkan máa le díẹ̀ o. Wọ́n dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ farada ni o. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ fuel subsidy, bàbá ní pé no going back ṣì ni o. Bàbá dúró lórí ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ni o. Well, my brother, my sister, exactly what is going on right now with the news reaching us. Bola Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, has expressed himself, and he had been able to narrate everything that is actually happening. According to him, he says he understands the pains of the people. He understands that the people are actually suffering, that the hardship is too much, that he can see everything that is going on. But the truth of the matter is, Nigerians should keep enduring. Hey, you people should keep enduring, because at the end of it all, we are all going to smile, according to what the president has said. Well, I know this this is not even going well with a lot of people. Now, the president has spoken. He had made it clear that everybody should be patient. For how long, we don't know. Hey, we're of the opinion then that this palliative they said they want to give out, that it will last for the next 6 months. And then I said it that, if the federal government is saying that this will last for the next 6 months, meaning as far as the whole issue is concerned, after 6 months they don't even know if it will be solved, because they were like, after 6 months they will renew the payment. And a lot of people have expressed shocked that what is going on. What exactly have we put ourselves into? Right now, Baba is coming out to let us understand that, so he's feeling the pains of the people already. He's seeing what is going on, but the people just have to keep enduring. That is for our own good. Our own good. Somebody is like, so you mean we still continue to endure this hardship? Even end of this month, there is no hope. Baba God, now your hand with day. You see, we have said it times to that number. If you are still out there, you are shouting one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Let me tell you something. Is that person, is whosoever that is alive, that will continue to shout, oh yes, it's one Nigeria. Because you are alive, that's why you are saying one Nigeria, right? But don't get it twisted. A lot of people are dying on a daily basis onto what is going on in the country. Right now, the president just came out and he has expressed himself. And the people have said, well, with everything he has said, there's no hope that this country will be better in the next 1 year. Oh my God. What have we put ourselves into? I just talked about what is happening in Lagos in my other post, where they are demolishing, burning houses, raising houses without any notification, without any notice to the people. Now the people are already, they are already in it already. The suffering had been the order of the day. The suffering had been too much. Yet you are still adding another one to it. The people are complaining that they need fund. They need money, that the hardship is too much. They should reduce the price of fuel. They are not out of that. Another one is coming in. Now the people are crying. How long are we going to continue like this? That's exactly what it is. So onto this one. The hardship is too much. What have we done to deserve this? That's exactly the cry of the people. Now that the president have spoken, a lot of people have expressed disappointment. That you mean this is exactly what this man is even coming to tell us? No hope for even end of this month? Yeah, so according to what had been gathered, he says, and I quote, "I feel your pains, but we have to go through this for us to survive the economic downturn," says Tinubu. In a press conference briefing, President Bola Tinubu revealed that he feels the pain of the people, pointing out that they have to go through all this hardship to survive the economic crisis. He urged the people to be patient with him, adding that what they are going through today is saving for the future. Okay, my brother, my sister, you heard that for yourselves. That what the people are going through today is savings for the future. Somebody has a question: which future are they telling us about? Is it not the same future they have been telling us since 1960 till date? They will tell you because of your future. And then the people are now wise. That we don't want to hear story anymore. All we want to go our separate ways. That we never even believed in one Nigeria before now, but we just okay, let's just give it a try. But at the end of it all, look at what is not playing out. That's exactly what the people are saying. Nothing is working, and we can no longer continue in this manner. Something needs to be done drastically before it is too late. That's so serious. Well, my people, this is exactly what it is. Onto this one, what more can we say? Well, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.